Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a few things off my to-do list, fixing bugs, trying to optimize a few things, enhancing some of the UI, and testing why something doesn't work with the new libVLC integration. Okay, so let's begin with this. We have a report that saved chapters are not saving the chapter names correctly. So first, let's test it out, and we are using Intel for this because it has a lot of subtitles related, not subtitles, but video related features like subtitles, chapters, and all sorts of things. Maybe it's actually not the best because this one has embedded chapters. Okay, so maybe we want something without embedded chapters. So let's just take an audio file. Okay, this looks like a different unrelated bug. Why is it maintaining the last picture here? I will have to... Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, let's try to add some chapters. So let's call it 1, 2, and 3. Let's click save. And now, if I try to play it again, I see 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Maybe it depends on how the name was entered. Let's try with a space character. Okay, so let's try 1, 2, 2, 3. Let's say it like this. Okay. And what do we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this means that I can't replicate the issue. So let me try something else. Okay. Let's answer the person. I can't reproduce with the latest build. Before I answer, let me test one more thing. And I am going to try using special characters. This is Try some Unicode text. Okay. And even with special characters, everything looks okay. Okay, I can produce this issue with the latest build. Right. We tried all sorts names and characters, and they were always stored correctly after a restart. What else? What else could it be? Let me check format. Maybe. Oh. Yeah. It might show as a comma here. That's not good. Okay. So, okay, what I want is just to confirm so how can I work around this? I need my saving and loading code revised. Let's see. I need chapter edit unit. We should have save. Okay, so now when I'm saving, I'm going to do it in parentheses, which should resolve my parsing issue. And update this so it's clear. Anyone wants to write one of their own parsing code? Okay, this is sort of just updating the docs. Okay, so I believe this fixes the save chapter. Now we need the load chapter. This is not the function. It might be in the main unit. Okay, so here I don't think I actually need to change my code, but let's check it by adding like this. Let's first do, let's see how it handles this. Yeah, that looks like the report he gave. Okay, but if I do it like this, let's see how it reacts. It freezes. That's not good. Okay. That was not expected. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. So, oh, that was bad. No, it should have messed with it like this. Shouldn't have been a complete freeze. But let's try it again. It looks like it's freezing. Yay. Be right back again. Okay, so let's try to understand why it's freezing. Why is it you? Wait, so this is like this. Okay, chapter this. Do it like this. Yeah. Okay. That might have fixed it, but we will not know until we try it out. Okay. Here we go. So first, let's see if it's which parameter it's getting. Okay, that's correct. So, yep, the value. What was the parameter again? 657. So that value is correct. Great. Okay. So now it gets it, and it should work. Okay. Right, it's sub-second. Let's change it. Okay, so first. Yeah. I don't care about this. And yeah, let's just put it 25. And let's see. Yeah, it's not sorted. It's fine. Okay. Yeah, and the time is accurate. Okay. I believe this should be fine. Close this. Let's make a note of the fix. Media chapters not loaded correctly in regions where the decimal separator character was. What is? Okay. Let's go here. I believe it's fixed, but I will wait a little bit. What I should do is compile a non-debug build. And I am going to upload it for this person to test. To only take me a moment. Okay, let's answer. Did I write it earlier? Did it mess my reply? Believe the issue was the decimal separator character. I believe the issue is in the latest build. Is now fixed in the latest build comment. Okay, so I don't need this now. Okay, this is a feature I wrote recently that adds empty entries for episodes that do not have a slot in the episode guide. So I now need to find the correct function. This one. And where do I check it? Here, this is the programs. And where do I check? Here, this function. Okay, I want to make this function a lot faster if possible. And the way I'll do it is first let's find the function. Wait, I don't want it like this. Okay, so I need to do a few things. Default value is false. Okay. Okay. And now why do I use the format settings? Okay. Where do you get the offset? Okay. This area is the only thing I can really enhance. Okay, so first let me find just some EPG guide. This is someone a user sent me. No, I need some programs. Okay. So this is the format, and now let's see if I can do it faster. So I'll go into my benchmarking section of the code. Okay, so this is the function I want to call, right? And I want it in my benchmarking code here. I need some. Okay, let's do like. I should have something. Here we go. So this is before. This is after. Okay, so in theory, this should show me how long this function takes, but it's too short. So let's call it 10,000 times. And my debug code, and it doesn't know this identifier. Why? Because they are on benchmark, all of them. Let's take them out. Put them here. Where? What's E? I think I am missing this. Okay. Okay, so let's see how the existing function. Okay, even 10,000 calls is not enough. 100,000 calls. Okay. And let's do this. Still not enough. So 100,000, that's 1,000,000 calls. Okay. Oh, I didn't need to do full compile. And this should take 530. Let's write it down. 533. And 28, 22. 567, 35. Okay, this is more or less. Maybe add 3. I want it to be in the seconds count. Okay. 277, 288. Okay. Probably not the best way to optimize code, but it's good enough. Okay, so this is more or less our range, and now let's see if I can optimize it. Okay, so let's try something simple first. Let's do I want it to show the result. Do I have something till date time? Anything? Okay. The date time. Okay, so not here. Where am I? Here. D equals this, and date time to string dt like this. Okay, I'll try to run it again. Okay, so I'll copy this and place it here. Okay, and let's do it one more time. Okay, this is more or less my range. Do it one more time. Yeah, okay. So this is the value we need to show and the timing range more or less. And now let's try a different, less clean way of doing it, but let's just do the year for now to make sure I'm not messing anything up. So let's duplicate the year, and instead of a copy operation, I am going to do a direct value operation. So it's from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this should be identical, just not as pretty. And the question is, will it be faster or slower? Or the same? It might be slower. Yeah, let's do it on all of them so we have a more conclusive result. Okay, so the month is 5 and 6. The year is 7 and 8. This is 9 and 10. This is 11 and 12. This is 13 plus 14. Okay, so it should be a more significant difference. Ah, it's a lot slower than the copy operation. Yeah, so this path does not work. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can actually optimize anything here. Yeah. I don't have one function to do it. Why two functions? No encode datetime. What's the difference? Okay. Code date and code time. Weird. Yeah, it's always doing it separately. Okay, so not much that can be improved here. Okay, so there's nothing I can do to improve this function. Not going. Yeah. No, I can't see any simple logic to optimize it. So that's out. Okay, so let's try enhancing our keyboard editor. Okay. So the request was that if you you press a key, it will show up in the list to make it easier to search. So let's begin with keyboard. Let's create a new one, call it test, and okay, so can I search it? If I type G, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so what I want to do is capture. First I want to see if there's a key preview. Just escape. Okay, that's fine. So for here I want on key down. I do have something. Okay, this is fine. Which is the edit button? I don't care about either of these buttons. Else, begin. Okay. And here I want code that will try to find the correctly selected entry. Okay, so I have the key. This is the actual scan code and the modifier. But how do I populate this? Okay, it's not a custom draw. So, do I have some sort of function that lists it? Key data to grid. That's the best name. Okay. So let's do something like this. Let's put a bookmark here and here. Search for key. Search by key. Press. Okay, so if let's do it like this. This is white string. Okay, so if in shift okay, great. Okay, so now the S should have the first variable and this is a shift state as a string, and now I need to go over the grid list, which is how do I get it? Okay, I need do I equals 1 to items count, do begin, and what else? Oops, I messed something up. Oh man. Oh, I just added something that was not grid list. What is it? Key grid. Wait. Okay. if that's the problem. Okay. How do I reach the sub items? Let's just do equals. And show message found index. Let's just do found and set the index to I and break. Okay. So keyboard editor. Didn't save. Okay. Just okay. Let's check that it saves. Okay. Okay, so if I type P, nothing. Oh, I forgot to show it. Okay, let's go. This and do 1, 2, 3. And do the base. I think this should work. No. Okay, just this. Now G. I didn't put a line break. Bugger. Okay, so it's not that good for me. And do I have this here? Okay, and let's try it again. Keyboard edit. I think there's another issue here. 1, One moment. Medical glitch. Because these. Okay, let's start again. Okay, still did it. Never mind. Okay, so now if I type P, so it's not even showing the modifier. I need the first parameter somehow. Okay, so let's just copy this. Okay, so this shouldn't have closed it. Equals key name, which we don't need. One is key scan code, which we do need. And 2 is function type, which we don't need. And 3 is function parameter, which we do not need. So I still need the base parameter. Which is theory. I would have expected it to be like this. It doesn't like it. Where is the actual name? Caption. Okay. Let's double check that I got it. And yep, got it. Okay, so I don't need this. Just need to add let's do it like this. Equals shift modifier. Okay, so now that I have everything mapped out, I will. Okay, so I need to match the caption and the scan code equals str to int the scan codes. Okay. So let's see if it works. Go. Now if I press P, it does nothing. Why? Why? Why is a good question. Okay, search searches for the caption and the key. Subitems 1, which is the code. Okay, let's try to debug this more thoroughly. I was too concentrated to look at the chat for a minute. Yes, it's Pascal. Well, Delphi, a version of Pascal. And yes, people are still using it. And actually, ZoomPlayer has VLC integrated it within the libVLC. So it's both direct show and VLC in a much more powerful UI. Okay, back to the keyboard editor. And let's just answer yes. ZoomPlayer is coded in Pascal, or rather Delphi. Okay. So why am I failing? Am I running under debug? Yeah, I was running under debug. So once again, let's run it. And okay, I want to check keyboard and I'm going to press P. And now, let's let it never retrieve. Let's try something else. Let's just try F5. Okay, so our key code is 116. Okay, it found it. And set O. It set it, but it didn't remove the selection. Can I multi-select? Yeah, okay, so it's not enough to do that. I have to also clear the selection. Sure if it's the right code. Okay, it's bad. Okay, but it doesn't find P. So let's try it again without the full debug. Okay, so I'm typing P. Oh, I need to change. It does find it. But perhaps I need to do it a little bit differently. Yeah, okay, so two things here. I need okay, so the base function works, but I have set the top index equals, that's not the right math. it's not the top index. Item? No. How do I control it? How do I put? Okay, so what do I do? It's T-list view. Okay. Selfie T-list view. Change the topics. Maybe like this. Scroll viewports. Don't think so. Oh. I want the index though. Okay, let's see. Top item. Okay. Okay, let's try it direct. Yeah, okay, so let's try it like this. And this fine, and let's do it like this. Sure if this will work. Yeah, did work. And let's see if it actually works in practice. Okay, so if I press P, that's great. Press G. Very nice. Let's try the first one. That's F4. F4 doesn't work. Maybe because I started the index at 1. Okay, let's try Alt Control F4. Yeah, that works. So F5 works, but F4 doesn't. Is it because I started like this? Okay. So once again, and F4. Okay, so now it works. And now I want it even if it's not the right one, right? If it's not in focus. Okay, so let's check our global key down. Okay, so I am moving this here. Okay, and I want a few things. I don't want to intercept the enter key. I don't want the enter, and I want the delete. Okay, so let's just copy it. Okay, I don't want to do anything. If they are pressed here, and I want if key now I do want this, but different. Okay, I'm gonna change the logic. Okay. So now I'm doing if key is different from delete and key is different from return, or or key edit from active control is key grid. Then begin and okay. Okay, so this means that it should work. And must be different than edit search. Okay, So in theory, this shouldn't conflict with the search by function. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay. Edit. Okay, so now if I press F4, it works. But if I don't have keyboard, it still works. Not. It shouldn't. If the focus is here. Yeah. It shouldn't edit. Wait. Okay. I need to remove the edits on Ento. That is definitely those are both conflicting. So now basically any key I press, including enter, it works, but yes, if I type insert, okay, I press here, okay. Can I still do edit? I can. Can I do remove? Cancel. I need the remove button. Should ask if you're sure. So do adding confirmation. Because we don't want it hit by accident. It's annoying. And I need to add I think I need to do something like this. Without the skin. Cleared. Come on, wasting time on shit. am I missing? Okay. Where's my editor? What am I missing? Message type button help context owner. Owner. Okay. Double check. Okay. Looks fine. Now oh, wrong key. Now here I want to remove the horizontal scroll bar, which I am not sure it's an option. No. Where can I disable the scroll bar? Let's see. Okay, this like this. Okay. Still very slow. Probably won't help, but see. Maybe I should first set that, then set this. That might be smoother. Looks like it. Yeah. And much faster. But not super accurate. Actually rounding it down. It's a rounding issue. No. Strange. Maybe I'm missing. Yeah. Let's see how this works. Perfect. Should probably remove the +1. I want it to be as accurate as possible. And nice. Okay. Nothing assigned to H. J, K. Wait, no way. Nothing assigned to K either. Okay. I am not sure this is correct. Okay. Okay, modifiers. Nothing here. Yeah. Yeah, nothing assigned. Okay, so this is right. Okay, so I don't need this. Okay. Now I need to find on Reddit. Let's see. Here. Okay. Do I want to do another one? Upload it. Yes. Let's upload the latest build. This will only take me a minute or so. Okay, it's uploading. I updated the keyboard editor dialog. It appears faster with sizes faster, and you can press a key to instantly find the current assignment, or use the search box to search by the function, the feature description assigned to a key. Okay. Now I need the links again. Link. Can try it out by using the latest build. Okay, let's update the change log. Okay. Okay, so back to my board and done. Okay. Now let's try to understand why SHOUTcast is failing when trying to use libVLC. Okay, so let's go to libVLC, and this is going to be a little bit more difficult. I think I need to add another setting for SHOUTcast. So let's start with that. Let's go to the options dialog. And find the settings. Where am I? Here. I want to select basically everything except or these, and I want to move everything down like this. And one moment. Sorry about that. I had to take care of some personal issues. Okay, so I want to duplicate this setting and use to play SHOUTcast streams. Okay, and let's put the right tab order, which should be 2. Let's give it a nice name. Okay, and let's make sure this setting is saved to the registry. Oh. Okay. And the inverse. One's loading, one's saving. Now I need the default value for it, which would be false. I don't want it used by default. Okay. Let's see if that's okay. Now save it to the registry. And load from the registry. Okay. Okay. So now it's actually saving and loading. Let's double check. Okay. Let's enable it, close, and is it saved? Yes. Okay. So now I need something smarter on the station unit. How is it played? This one? No. Station unit. This one. Yes. Okay. So how it's resized. Okay. So basically one of the plays. Okay, let's see if I can first. This is all sorts of test station. Try. Okay. So let's say this station 1 a.m. Okay. I'm going to add. Oh, it also has a play option. So I have to check both. Okay, let's check the add to favorites. And it's been added. Okay, so let's make sure I'm muted, and let's try playing the station. Okay. Okay, it's a live stream. Okay, so it looks like it's playing. Let's wait. Okay. Looks like it's playing. Okay, why did this stop playing? What happened here? Okay, something is messed up with my background. One moment. Okay. Okay, so what's going on right now? When I tried to play it, it freeze. Seems to be fine. No seeking, because it's a live stream. Okay. Now we try. Okay. The play. Let's use this PlayStation. Okay. Hopefully this also uses PlayStation. Yes. Okay, so I don't need this. And here I need to find PlayStation. Okay, just adds it. Okay. Now what is the name of the variable I'm searching for? Is for VLC playback. Okay. Now the question is, will it work? I don't think it worked. see. Okay, it loads it. Something. I don't know. Try killing it. Again, one moment. Okay, let's clean my logs. Let's try to figure out what's happening. Okay, it's tried to do something. Failing. Why it said enriched. Okay, testing, use VLC engine. Why false? Okay. 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 And it's closing. Yeah. It's triggering end of media playback. Okay. And how does VLC player does it? Okay, this is our URL. Okay, it's playing. So why is it triggering in the end? Right? What if I tell it to ignore the end? Not here. Next change, title change, time, arrow, enriched. Okay, this is why it's trying to reconnect possibly. Let's do nothing. this and see if it decides to play. Okay, it's doing something, but I can't really test it properly. Okay, what I can do is do this. Check the events. Okay. So we got the media changed. Don't have duration. It's giving me a fake video. And then, oh. Changing like this. Is it only the first one? That's the first. Okay. So I might be able to go around this issue by ignoring the first end. I think what's happening is that it first changes the media. This is still duration 0. Okay. Question is, does it trigger other events? It's still supposedly playing. Okay. Let's do if if VLC ignore reached equals 2 and it's equals false. And I need to also reset it on close as a safety measure. And activity, movie. Okay. I also need to define it and enable it on PlayStation. Here. So what I'm doing here is this. clear unit. There we go. So now, in theory, it should work, but it didn't. Let's try it again, this time with logs. Let's create more logs. This is on the destroy, which might be getting cold. Okay, so what I'll do, move it here from here to PlayStation. I do need it. Okay, I can't do it after the play because it's asynchronic. So what should I do? Can't disable it on the close, I can disable it on the start. So I can only disable it on the event. Okay. There's a little chance that something bad will happen. Let's test it. Okay, so SHOUTcast station, play. Yeah, it works. It's not the best, but hopefully it works. Okay, I have to send it for some testing. Okay. Okay, not for today. Yeah, let's try this at least. How do I do it? Okay, so let's try it like let's try just a random station. Okay, so let's see what happens when I try to stream. Let's do come on. right. Let's try this. Okay. Let's see. Let's try to open it in loop. Exception. Okay. This is a little complex to test. So I think I'll be ending the stream right now. I hope it was informational. See you next time.